Look at this chart. If your trading screen is obscured by dozens of overlapping horizontal lines and messy indicators, you aren't actually analyzing the market. Overcomplicating a chart creates a false sense of security, while actually making it harder to reach a clear decision. This confusion leads to trades driven by stress rather than logic. Effective market analysis requires stripping away that noise to reveal the underlying price action. In this video, we are breaking down a three-step system to identify critical price zones and execute trades with specific confirmation signals. To apply this yourself, you'll need standard charting software, an asset to trade, and a single moving average indicator. This strategy prioritizes the few specific signals that dictate price movement right now, rather than cataloging every historical tick from the past. This chart shows how we manage our focus. We ignore historical price data from months ago, narrowing our view to the current price. Here, identify recent swing highs and swing lows, specific points where the price hit a ceiling or floor and significantly reversed direction. A single touch at one of these levels could be random. However, seeing the price reject a level 3 separate times identifies a validated market barrier. Instead of thin lines, treat these barriers as spatial areas to account for slight market variations. When price breaks through a zone, a broken resistance ceiling frequently transforms into a new support floor upon retest. Using spatial zones instead of rigid lines shifts your focus away from chasing exact mathematical points and toward identifying high probability areas for a reaction. Even when you have a clear zone, entering a trade the moment the price touches it is a common mistake. This checklist ensures you only enter when data aligns. First, price must be inside your defined zone. Second, you need a clear reversal candlestick pattern, like this evening star, suggesting upward momentum is challenged. Think of this reversal as a heavy weight reaching the peak of a hill. It hovers for a brief moment of balance before the momentum shifts, and it begins to roll in the opposite direction. The final trigger is the moving average crossover. When the moving average line crosses the candles, it confirms that the change in direction is actively gaining strength. Requiring all three independent signals to align helps filter out false breakouts and protects your capital from premature entries. The exact entry occurs immediately after that third confirmation. The moving average crossover is complete. To manage risk, place a stop-loss order. On a sell trade, this line goes above the top edge of your resistance zone. Avoid setting the stop-loss too close to the zone. Giving the trade breathing room prevents you from being closed out during minor price fluctuations. Your take-profit target is determined by looking left on the chart to the next major opposing zone you identified in Step 1. Establishing these entry, stop-loss, and take-profit parameters provides a concrete plan to follow before the price begins to move, allowing the trade to play out based on your initial analysis. At this point, the analysis is finished. You are simply letting the predetermined sequence of your plan play out. This time-lapse shows the market moving away from our entry, testing the zone without hitting the protected stop-loss, and eventually reaching the target. This three-step process replaces a screen of chaotic lines with a systematic method for confirming high-probability entries. While these zones provide the structural foundation, your ability to read reversal candlestick patterns is what makes this system repeatable. Those patterns are the vital bridge between spotting a zone and executing a trade. Click the next video to learn the most effective reversal patterns for this strategy.